Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. So today we are diving into the fantastic world of fall gardening. October is here and there's a whole array of vegetables that thrive in this season. Join me as we explore the must-grow vegetables for a bountiful harvest. Before we jump into the specific vegetables, let's talk a bit about why October is a great time for gardening. It is because a bit cooler temperature creates the perfect conditions for certain vegetables to flourish. So let's get started. Before going further, a small request to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about my new videos. First on our expanded list is the vibrant beetroot. October is an excellent time to sow beetroot seeds. These colorful gems will add a pop of flavor and nutrition to your dishes. Brinjal or eggplant lovers, rejoice! October is the time to sow brinjal seeds or transplant seedlings. Get ready for delicious curries and grilled delights. Next on our list is the mighty broccoli. October is an ideal time to sow broccoli seeds or transplant seedlings. With its love for cooler weather, broccoli will reward you with those lovely green heads in the coming months. For a hearty addition to your fall garden, consider cabbage. Plant cabbage seeds in October for a crisp and versatile veggie that can be enjoyed in various dishes. Let's not forget the crunchy delight, carrots. October is the perfect time to sow carrot seeds. The cool soil condition help carrots develop that sweet flavor we all love. Cauliflower is another cool weather favorite. Sow cauliflower seeds or transplant seedlings in October for a delicious harvest. Now let's talk herbs. October is perfect for planting coriander seeds. Enjoy the fresh and aromatic leaves in your creations. Fenugreek, a nutritious green, thrive in the fall. Sow fenugreek seeds in October for a quick and tasty addition to your salads or as a flavorful garnish. For a quick growing delight, consider radishes. October is an excellent time to sow radish seeds. They mature quickly, adding a burst of color and flavor to your salads. Next up is the nutrient packed spinach. This leafy green thrive in fall weather and you can start planting your spinach seeds in October for a continuous harvest throughout the season. Last but not the least, we have tomatoes. Who doesn't love juicy tomatoes? October is an excellent time to plant tomato seeds. You can enjoy homegrown tomatoes well into the coming season. And there you have it, the top vegetables to grow in October for a spectacular fall harvest. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, share this video to as many people as you can with. Do write your comments if you have any. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.